Hello everybody, welcome to Rankers Hub. Today we'll have one more wonderful session on vocabulary. Let us start. We'll learn 5 words per this day, for every day, and whatever the words that I give you on every daily basis, you have to learn those 5 words and try to implement those words in your day-to-day life. Okay, right now guys, vocabulary session very essential. As you all know, we'll start and we'll try to take a context. First of all, what is the context, guys? As you all know, we are going to learn vocabulary not randomly but we are going to learn them based on a context. These words which are highlighted are the words which are going to focus upon, and these words are involved in a passage. Try to read this passage and gain the meaning of these words. Try to guess the meaning of these words. Pause the video for a moment and then check all the meanings of these words. Okay, right, try to guess the meanings and we'll start. See, when the bell sounded, Keva Mullins responded with alacrity. The first word is alacrity, with alacrity. Okay, he sprang from his stool and charged across the ring, showing disdain for the champion's strength. Okay, disdain is the second word. Although this belligerent attitude impressed the referee, it failed to intimidate the champ. Intimidate is the third word. Very nice, very important also. That intrepid battler, intrepid sounds good. Intrepid battler laid the hapless Mullins low with an adroit feint and an uppercut. Right. This is the passage that we have. Let's try to understand these words better. Okay, I'll give you the meanings of these words also. Let us try to understand first. When the bell sounded, Keva Mullins, okay, a player, a fighter, in fact he's a boxer. Keva Mullins responded with alacrity. Okay, with alacrity, with energy, sounds like it is kind of energy, right? Okay, with alacrity, he sprang from his stool and charged across the ring, showing disdain for the champion's strength. Showing disdain. Okay, we'll try to, we may guess the meaning of this word, or it may not be possible in all cases. Anyway, we'll check. Disdain is kind of, looking down upon somebody. Okay, now you are not giving the credit to the strength of the opponent there. Okay, you are looking down upon him. Disdain for the champion's strength. Although this belligerent attitude, belligerent, very important. There is a root word involved in this word, belly. Belly will always show fight. It will always refer fight. Belligerent attitude means attitude. A person's attitude is arrogant. If it is arrogant, we call him a belligerent person. Belligerent attitude impressed the referee. It failed to intimidate the champ. Intimidation is very frequently used, and some people may not know this, but very important also. Intimidate, guys, what is the meaning of intimidate? Cause forgive me guys, cause fear in somebody. Guys, intimidation is you intentionally try to cause fear in somebody. Intimidation. The charm. The intrepid battler laid the hapless Mullins low with an adroit feint and an uppercut. Okay, these are the words that I have. Okay guys, before giving you the sense of the entire paragraph there, I want to reveal the meanings of these words. Okay, let us play a small game, matching game. Right, now start. Guys, I have 5 words which are highlighted and I have the meaning of those words also. What you now try to do is you try to match the meaning of the words properly. Word first one is alacrity. What is the meaning of the first one? First goes with which one of this column? The second column. A, B, C, D, E. Guys, alacrity, as I already told you, it sounds like energy. Alacrity is showing energy, nothing but briskness or lively action. I give you the key also. First goes with E. Okay, alacrity goes with briskness, lively action. Sounds good. Okay, disdain, I already told you, looking down upon somebody. You're gonna disregarding something, right? Disdain is regarding someone with contempt. Yeah, I can tell you this. Contempt is looking down upon somebody, right? Yes, disdain goes with contempt. So 2 goes with A. Third, belligerent is kind of, arrogance. Belligerent attitude shows nature of a person, arrogant nature. Belligerent goes with which word? Warlike. You see, in wars people fight with each other, right? Yeah, it kind of shows, belly always shows fight. Okay, belligerent shows warlike situations. Okay, a person's attitude is belligerent, he is arrogant. Okay, intimidation, I already told you, intimidate is to cause fear in somebody, right? To overawe somebody. Yes, cause fear in somebody, to overawe somebody. That is right. Fourth one goes with D. Fifth one, feint is a false attack. 100% direct word is given. Feint is a false attack, right? As a small trick, you you try to show a false attack to your opponent. I'll tell you the entire sense of the given passage there, then you'll understand this words 100% better. Like, guys, what does this passage say? When the bell sounded, 𝐻𝐸 Mullins responded with alacrity. Guys, when the break is over, when the bell sounded, when the boxing match goes on, they will ring a bell, right? Yeah, when the bell was immediately on, when the person rang that bell, this person, 𝐻𝐸 Mullins, a fighter, sprang. He just, with full energy and enthusiasm, with full liveliness, he stood up and he gone there to fight with his opponent. Okay, alacrity shows energy there, and alacrity shows liveliness there. Okay, he sprang from his stool and charged across the ring. See, he sprang from his stool and charged across the ring, showing disdain for the champion's strength. Yes, guys, the opponent is also very strengthful, but still he showed disdain for the champion's strength. As we already know, disdain is regarding someone with contempt, looking down upon somebody, not recognizing the strength of the opponent there. Yes, although this belligerent attitude impressed the referee, yeah, though it seems very fine, this person is positive, 100% energetic, though it looks nice, belligerent attitude, what really happened is it failed to intimidate the champion there. The opponent was not frightened of this Mullins, right? Intimidation, the thing Mullins wanted to create there is intimidation. That really did not happen. The opponent was not fearing at all. The intrepid, trepidation always refer to, let's understand the meaning of this words also. Trepidation always means fear. Intrepid is not fearing at all. Okay, now full brave. Okay, that intrepid battler, the fighter, laid the hapless Mullins. Hapless means, guys, unfortunate. Guys, person Mullins is, he showed full energy, but he is unfortunately losing the match there. You will understand. Laid the hapless Mullins, unfortunate Mullins, poor Mullins, low with an adroit feint and an uppercut. What is the feint here, guys? An adroit feint, guys. This person, the opponent, the Mullins opponent, is faking a move there. He's not actually moving in that fashion, but he's making Mullins think that he's going to make that move. Like, guys, he's going to take a shot with a left hand, but he suddenly stops. He feints it, adroit feint, a false attack. He stops it and he pulls his right hand and he gives a uppercut there. And that's the meaning of this entire passage. And this is very, very, very important, guys, to learn words with context. If you try to learn with words with this context, if you learn in this manner, you'll definitely give the answers for the questions which are vocabulary questions which are asked in reading comprehension. I'm focusing more upon this. See, guys, you can derive the meaning of the words even though you don't know the words when you read the passage perfectly. Yes, in reading comprehension, vocabulary questions will be asked. Those words will reflect in the passage also, so you can check the words there, check the usage also, check the meaning of that sentence also, and understand the context to derive the meaning of these words. And anyway, learning these words individually is also very important because synonyms will be asked, antonyms will also be asked, right? First word, alacrity. I'll show you directly. Alacrity. Alacrity goes with E, briskness, lively action. Second one, disdain goes with contempt. Belligerent goes with warlike situation, fight, arrogant. Okay, intimidation goes with to overawe, right? To create fear in somebody. Feint is a false attack. And guys, I have missed one more word which is also very important, adroit. What is the meaning of adroit? Adroit is a very skillful. Adroit shows skillful. Okay, now adroit shows skill of a person. Adroit feint means this person skillfully performs a false attack there. That's it. Okay, right. Now we have learned 5 words. Try to use these words today, right day. Okay, today you are going to use these words in your conversation also to remember them better, right? Let us learn one more idiom also. Idiom is also very, very important. One idiom of this day is idiom of the day, put somebody on their mettle. Very, very important, and you can use this usage in your day-to-day life also. What does it say? Put somebody on their mettle. You can read the example before reading the meaning. You can read the example to understand better. What does it say? This unexpected new difficulty put me on my mettle. First of all, guys, metal, as we all know, spelling is METAL. Metal is different. METTLE, metal is different. Metal always shows strength of the character. Metal always show strength of the character, a person's strength of character. Okay, now metal You are saying put somebody on their metal, right? Now you are trying to test the ability of that person, strength of his character, test someone's ability to face difficulties in a spirited and a resilient way. What is the spirit of the person? If a difficulty is arising, okay, how will he face that difficulty? How will he encounter that difficulty? Now we are talking about that word metal shows the strength, spirit, resilience, as we can say, strength of the character. Okay, make somebody do the best work they can when they are involved in a troubled situation, when they are finding a difficulty. Okay, this is the meaning of the idiom that we have learned. Put somebody on their metal, very very important. Make somebody do the best work they can, and testing their metal, testing their resilience, testing their spirit. Okay guys, please use these words in your day-to-day language, also in your conversations, to understand better and remember better. And this idiom can also be used in your day-to-day life. Very very easy. This is the very easy example which I thought and I wrote, which we can use in our daily lives. Okay, now see guys, very very important words were discussed, and we have discussed 5 more important words in the previous session also. Likewise, we'll discuss many search words in every video. Okay, right, thank you guys. Please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.